Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am going to explaining about number series. As we all know that number series is very important in all competitive examinations, especially banking, railways, SSC, UPSC, and CSAT. We already discussed few problems in the previous sessions. Now we'll continue the number series topic. Now see here. In this session, I am going to explaining about progressions, some problems related to progressions. If you see this question carefully, in this series 3, 9, 15 and so on, what will be the 21st term? What will be the 21st term? He is not giving all the numbers and he is asking about 21st term. Here the first term is 3, next one is 9, next one is 15. If you observe the gap between consecutive numbers, here the gap is 6, here the gap is 6. If the gap between any two consecutive numbers is same, then we can say that that particular series is in arithmetic progression. That particular series is in arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, the series is like this: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, plus A plus nth term is nothing but n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the nth term. That is the nth term. This is first term. A is called as first term, and in this case D is called as common difference. D is called as common difference. D is called as what? Common difference. In this problem, common difference D is equal to 6. Common difference D is equal to 6. And A is called as first term. A is called as first term. Here A is equal to 3. Common difference D is equal to 6. Now we have to find the 21st term. We have to find 21st term. Now according to nth term in AP. Nth term in AP, that is arithmetic progression, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is equal to, we want 21st term. We want 21st term, which is equal to, the value of A is 3. Value of A is given as first term is 3. 3 plus n minus 1. 21 minus 1 into D is equal to 6. Common difference value is 6. Now you can calculate this value. 3 plus 20 into 6. 21 minus 1, 20. 20 into 6, which is equal to 120. 120 plus 3, that value becomes 123. Therefore, 21st term in this series. In this series, 21st term is 123. That is the answer for this question. Guys, again I am telling, whenever the gap between two consecutive numbers is same, then we can say that that particular series is in arithmetic progression. That particular series in which progression? Arithmetic progression. According to arithmetic progression, nth term in AP, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Next question. See here. Here also similar kind of question, but if you observe the numbers carefully, 2, 6, 8, 18, 54 and so on, what will be the 8th term? What will be the 8th term? That he is asking. Here gaps are not equal. Gaps are not equal, but if you observe carefully, 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. 6 into 3, that is equal to 18. 18 into 3, which is equal to 54. Guys, whenever this multiplication number in a particular series is equal, then we can say that that series is in geometric progression. That series in which progression? Geometric progression. According to geometric progression, the series is AR, AR square, AR cube and so on. AR, AR square, AR cube and so on. AR power, nth term is AR power n minus 1. This is the nth term in geometric progression. Nth term in geometric progression is A into R power n minus 1. Nth term in GP, which is equal to A into R power n minus 1. Here A is equal to first term, A is equal to 2. First term A is equal to 2 and R is equal to 3. R is nothing but 3. R is called as common ratio, where R is called as common ratio. Common ratio in this problem, which is 3, and we have to calculate 8th term. We have to calculate 8th term. Therefore, n is equal to 8. 8th term n is equal to 8. 8th term in GP, which is equal to the value of A 2 into value of R 3 power 8 minus 1, that is equal to 2 into 3 power 7. 2 into 3 power 7. As we all know that directly we don't know 3 power 7. We can write 3 power 7 as 3 power 4 into 3 cube. 3 power 4 value is 81 into 3 cube value is 27. Now, if you multiply all these numbers, that is the final answer. 81 into 27 twos are 27 twos are 54. Multiply these two. Here it is 4 and this one is 32 plus 5, 37. After that 40 plus 3, 43. Therefore, if you multiply all these three numbers, 2 into 81 into 27, 4374. That is the product of 281 and 27. Therefore, our required answer, 8th term in GP. 8th term in GP, which is equal to 4374. And once again I am telling that nth term in GP, that is A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1. Next question. See here. Here this question is very important and logic is very interesting. Here the question mark is in this portion, middle of the almost middle of the portion. Now once observe the numbers carefully and find out the logic. Here the logic it is following is 30 into 3. 30 into 3 or else 3 into 30, which is equal to 90. Next 30 into 6, product of these two, that will give 180. 30 into 6. After that see here 6 into 2, 12. Next after that 2 into 25, 50. After that 25 into 4, that is 100. Next 4 into 50, which is given as 200. Now in place of this question mark 50 into 3 should be there. 50 into 3, which is equal to 150. In place of that question mark 150 should be there. It means that what he is following is from right hand he is multiplying every two numbers and the result of those numbers are written to the left side left side corner, and right side multiplications and the results are written towards left hand side, and finally in the middle you got 50 into 3, which is equal to 150. 150 is the right answer for this question. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much for watching.